Hello guys, right, pretty simple one if you understand how it works. How to overcome a smoky heater, yeah? You know, when it's chuffing white smoke out. Right, when you power on, it always goes on number 3, yeah? So as soon as you press the start button, it starts up on 3. Now, the ECU is not that intelligent, it really isn't. It doesn't know. So if you leave it to start up on 3, the pump will start running and you will flood your chamber. So let me show you what I do. Okay, press the start button. You see it's on number 3. Right, turn it down to number 1. Yeah, you see the glow plug has come on. Now, as soon as you hear the pump start, repress the power off button. Okay. You can hear the fan now. It's turning around about, I think it's 200 RPM. So it's really, really low. And I'm going to try and demyth some of this crap that's on the internet. Okay, still warming up. Still. Right, I don't normally wait this long because it always fires up. But okay. Come on, pump. There you go. Right, as soon as you hear the pump, hold the button down and turn it off. Off, I said. Right, the pump's now off. Now the glow plug is doing another cycle. Yeah? This only happens when you have a mesh that is contaminated. I'll zoom back in a minute, I'll explain it to you. Right, let me zoom back. Back. Everybody thinks this little bit of mesh is called an atomizer. Well, there is no way in hell is that an atomizer, because for it to atomize diesel, it would need pressure. There is zero pressure coming out of that pump. Yeah, it's not like a fuel injector, yeah, that has 60 to 70 psi from an electric pump, yeah, then gets triggered by the ECU, then you get a nice jet coming out the end, yeah. So yes, petrol and diesel through a fuel injector will atomize at 60 psi, but you have no pump pressure, yeah, none whatsoever. So this can't possibly atomize diesel. All that's doing is like when you're lighting a barbecue and you're blowing on it. That thing there glows. Right, so we start again. Power on. And you'll see, well, you can't see because you can't see the exhaust. Sorry about that. So all you've done, you've run 2 cycles now of your glow plug. And it will fire up straight away. So you haven't got to keep stripping it down. All it means is this, from running last night or the night before, the diesel has congealed around it and blocked it up. Yeah, there's hardly any fan speed to clear it because it's trying to light. So it's really, really low. There's no pump pressure, but running through 2 glow cycles, it will fire up. Once it's fired up, then bring your speed up. If you bring your speed up, if you left it on 3, you'll end up, and it didn't fire first time, with a severely flooded chamber and exhaust. that'll take forever to clear. What, 20 minutes, something like that. Okay, you can hear the pump going gum 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 gum. Yep, still pumping away. You probably can't hear the pump because I got these noise cancelling microphones. Okay. No, this one has been running under here for 2 years now. There we go. Okay, so that's how you do it. Alright guys, bye for now.